वीडियो है। ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक
Wonderful! Wonderland! Yay!
very good.
So, Kangna, I just wanted to ask that recently Mahesh Bhatt has backed you up about the nepotism code. So, what do you have to say about that?
So I would like to say that such discussions, like I answered my earlier question, that such discussions are very important these days, and it is not to object to anybody's preferences. I'm talking to you, please look at me, because I'm personally answering your question, just so that you can be satisfied. So it's not an objection. If you're talking about nepotism, it's an observation. I, as an individual, my prerogative is to leave my footprints behind for the ones who'll follow me. And it's important that they know where I fell, where I walked, where I stayed, and where I ran. So it's important for me that I talk about my own experiences, not to say that people should not do what they like to do, but to make what is relevant should be relevant, not because someone doesn't speak English or someone has sweat patches because they've come in a rickshaw for an audition, or someone is sharing an apartment with 10 people in an uncool location. They shouldn't be shamed for that, and the doors shouldn't be shut on their faces because of that. And I feel why I was avoiding it, because it's a long answer, but also the fact that that today in an industry we have a lot more democratic environment is also because of people like us who've been working at it. I see newcomers easily say, "Bhai, मैं English में बात नहीं कर सकता, मैं तो हिंदी में बात करूँगा." So it's because we have made it appear cool, isn't it? So we are going to make outsiders feel and appear cooler, and that is my prerogative as an individual. If I don't do that, then I'm not, what is the purpose of my journey? So this is a healthy talk. I mean, what Bhatt Sahab said is his perspective, and everyone has had perspectives to it, but outsiders who come in, outsiders as in, what is an outsider? There's nothing called an outsider. We're all working to make cinema, and anyone who's working for some other intention is an outsider. So A, I don't consider myself an outsider. B, whoever comes from unconventional background, they should work towards it and not call themselves, "Oh, we've been lucky enough because we did not face any discrimination," or, "Oh, we were the chosen ones because, industry has accepted us with open hands." No, because people like us have been working at it. If today people are working with actresses who come from, indie film backgrounds or are niche, so-called niche backgrounds, it's because we have made it mainstream today. Today we can say that a film like Queen has been made mainstream because people worked at it. So we should all work at it, and not to point fingers and not to make it sound like a fight, but to make the society more democratic for everyone. Okay, thank you.